8 Power-Ups for Reclaiming Confidence. There's nothing more crippling than losing your confidence. Without confidence, everything gets harder. You struggle to concentrate. Tasks feel overwhelming. If you stay there, you'll even find a more long-term emotional impact where you might fall into depression or become bogged down in indecision. Without confidence, you lose all forward progress. This is why it's so important to reclaim your confidence after suffering a blow. For a fast boost, try these 8 power-ups. Do what makes you uncomfortable. When you take risks, you stretch yourself in surprising new ways. This is a powerful feeling. Why? It takes confidence to step outside your comfort zone. Trying something new forces you to act with confidence whether you started out feeling it or not. Find your purpose. Knowing what you're destined to do is a fantastic feeling and fills a person with confidence. If you're unsure why you've set a particular goal or are questioning what you're doing, you're not likely to feel confident at all. Solidifying the goal in your mind is a rapid boost to confidence then. Keep trying. It's normal to experience failure from time to time. This kind of disaster can easily destroy confidence. You regain this confidence when you get up and try again. Learn things. Knowledge truly is power. When you really understand something inside out, you tend to be very confident, at least in that area. Continually learning new things expands your knowledge base. As a result, your confidence extends in new directions as well. Drop the idea things have to be perfect. When nothing is ever good enough, confidence falters. How are you supposed to feel sure of yourself when you're feeling things are always unfinished or lacking somehow? By accepting things as they are, warts and all, you'll find you relax more and become more confident in what you're doing because you're telling yourself that what you have or are doing is exactly what you need. Dress for success. How we present ourselves to the world really can affect our mental state. Wearing what makes you feel good about yourself will restore confidence. A change in attitude is only a change in outfit away. Trust yourself. When you doubt your instincts, you're telling yourself you don't really know what you're doing. This is why it's so important to go with your gut when faced with a challenge. This kind of trust instills confidence in your ability to judge a situation or outcome. Look forward. Confidence has a hard time standing up to ghosts from the past. When you get caught up in your previous failures or uncertainties, confidence falters. Instead, look forward to positive emotions. When you recognize your potential, you start seeing just how amazing you are.